picture this. You are managing a packed sports bar. There are like 22 different TVs on the wall, and a crucial playoff game is starting.
Oh man, the stress.
Right, and you're frantically digging through your drawer trying to find the right remote to change channel 4 before the crowd totally riots. It is just total multi-screen chaos.
Yeah, that is a bartender's absolute worst nightmare.
Exactly. So welcome to the deep dive. Today, our mission is to unpack a product catalog from HDTV Supply, specifically looking at their WolfPack 1080p AV over IP matrix switchers. We're going to see how these massive 22 TV commercial viewing experiences are seamlessly controlled.
Right, and the big shift here, the foundation of all of this, is moving away from messy traditional wiring. I mean, instead of running heavy, dedicated HDMI cords to every single screen, modern commercial setups use AV over IP, which stands for Audio and Video over Internet Protocol.
Okay, let's unpack this for a second, because I'm sort of picturing a digital traffic cop. Instead of running 22 massive HDMI cables, is this system just like directing video traffic over a standard internet network?
You are totally on the right track with the traffic cop idea. But let's add power to that equation. The real trick here is PoE, or Power over Ethernet.
Wait, really? So the exact same CT6 cable carrying the internet data is also providing the electricity?
Yep, exactly. It powers the receiver box right behind the TV, so you don't need to hire an electrician to install 22 new wall outlets.
Oh, wow, that saves a massive headache.
Totally. You're sending crisp 1080p video up to 450 feet using just standard, really inexpensive network cables and a basic 1G switch. Plus, the switching latency is just 80 milliseconds.
Great, 80 milliseconds. So for the viewer, changing a channel feels, what, instantaneous?
Basically, yeah.
Okay, I have to push back a little bit here, though. If
Yeah.
you're constantly routing massive high-definition video files over a local network, wouldn't that just completely clog the traffic or, create a security risk for the business?
Well, sure, that would be true if we were sending raw video files. But the system uses H.264 and H.265 compression protocols.
Ah, okay, so it shrinks it down.
Right. Think of it this way. Instead of sending every single pixel 60 times a second, the system only sends the pixels that actually change, like the football moving across the grass.
Oh, I see. So it drastically shrinks the file size in real time,
Right.
keeping the network running smoothly without dropping the quality. But what about the security side?
Yeah, there are safeguards for the actual content. The hardware is HDCP compliant. That's the standard protocol that prevents bad actors from illegally copying or pirating the broadcast.
Okay.
And it also adheres to strict SEC security compliance, which keeps the business's internal network completely locked down from outside access.
Right. Okay, so here is where it gets really interesting for me. Fast network cables and clever compression are great, right? But they are completely useless if the system is just too complicated for a busy manager to use on a Friday night.
Oh, absolutely. The user interface is really where the whole system justifies itself. They use this tablet-based control app called the WolfPad.
Which seems incredibly intuitive. I mean, you just pick up an iPad, look at a digital floor plan of your bar, and you can turn all 22 TVs on or off simultaneously.
Yeah, and you just tap a screen to seamlessly flip between DirecTV, DISH, cable, and Roku channels right from that iPad. But the real aha feature is the wireless real-time video preview.
Okay, wait, what does that do exactly?
So the app actually shows you the live video feed right on the tablet before you push it to a specific television.
Oh, that is brilliant. So no more accidentally putting like a random news channel on the main screen during the Super Bowl.
Exactly. You see it before the whole bar sees it.
I also love the drag and drop feature for video walls. You literally just drag different screens together on the tablet interface to build any size video wall instantly.
Yeah, it completely abstracts the hardware. You aren't thinking about cables or IP addresses. You're literally just moving squares on a screen.
Now, looking at the costs, I noticed a pretty massive price range. A base unit starts at just $150, but a massive 10 by 22 switcher configuration costs around $5,550. Is that massive scalability the true value here?
I would definitely say so. That is the beauty of AV over IP. Because it features scalable inputs and outputs and is totally field upgradable, a new business can start small.
Right, like maybe just 3 screens.
Yeah, exactly. And then they can literally just plug in more nodes as they grow without tearing up the drywall to run new infrastructure.
So to wrap this up, we've traced how combining standard network cables with intuitive tablet apps transforms a multi-screen logistical nightmare into a simple drag-and-drop experience.
It really does. And, it leaves you with a pretty provocative thought.
Yeah. What's that?
Well, as this highly scalable app-controlled commercial tech becomes cheaper, how long until our own living rooms become highly customizable multi-stream video walls?
Honestly, losing the TV remote and the couch cushions really doesn't seem so bad when you can just pull up a floor plan on your phone and drag the big game right onto your wall.